Well, hey, we're back. I just happened to get snowed in, and so it looks like I'm back at the camp here. Hopefully I'll be able to make it back in time, for school to start on Monday. Anyway, hey, let's go ahead and get started. All right. This is, again, Unit 4, Week 2, and this is Day 2 here. All right. You guys have your paper ready to go, right? Okay, this is on the back side for your next 4 words, and let's go ahead and begin with our first word for tonight's homework. The word is adjusted. Say the word with me, adjusted. Write the word. Okay, let's go ahead and define adjusted. Adjusted means changed or arranged differently. Changed or arranged differently. Pause the video, write your definition. Next, we have the example. An example of adjusted is Dan adjusted the painting so that it would hang straight on the wall. Right? Got to make those adjustments so it looks nice. All right, pause the video, write your example. And now it's time for our question sentence. The question sentence is, does anything in this classroom, let's pretend like you're in the classroom, right? Our classroom, your classroom, whichever classroom you're in, does anything in your classroom need to be adjusted? So think about that. Think about your classroom. Is there anything in there that needs to be adjusted? Tell about it. Make sure that you restate the question in your answer with all the details and context clues. Go. Man, can't wait to get back to good old Ivan's. Oh, it's cold out here. All right, let's move on. Next word is gravity. Gravity. Pause the video, write the word. Okay, let's define gravity. Gravity means the force that pulls objects on the Earth's surface and pulls towards the Earth's center, right? Gravity is the force that pulls objects on the Earth's surface towards the Earth's center. Pause the video, write your definition. An example of gravity is when you throw a stone, gravity causes it to fall. Pause the video, write your example. Let's go to the question sentence. Here it is. How does gravity make throwing a stone different on the moon? So pull from that memory bank. Pull from your prior knowledge. Think about what happens on the moon. All right. Now, how would that differ? Throwing a stone, or even a ball for that matter, here on Earth. How would it be different here than on the moon? Okay. We want to hear some good stuff. Pause the video, write your question sentence. Next word is disasters. Disasters. All right. That's the next word. Pause the video, write it. Let's define disasters. It's a disaster that Mr. Powell stuck out here in the wilderness. Okay, that's not it, but this is, here we go. Disasters are things that cause destruction. Okay? And I guess that what Mr. Powell said would not be a very good example. So disasters are things that cause destruction. Okay, according to this definition. Pause the video, write your definition. Example. Natural disasters, such as hurricanes, are caused by events in nature. Pause the video, write your example. Here's a question sentence. Can you name other types of natural disasters? I bet you can. You guys probably know a few more. Remember to restate your question and your answer. The question and your answer. Go. All right. Last word for Day 2. The word is environment. 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 Say environment with me. Environment. Okay, good. Pause the video, write the word. Let's define environment. The environment includes the air, water, and land surrounding living things. Pause the video, write your definition. Next is the example. I like a natural environment. That's a pretty good example. What kind of environment is Mr. Powell in right now? It's a cold environment out here in the middle of nowhere. But I got my fire, so I'm okay. Got my fire, I'm alright. Got a few snacks, a little beef jerky. I'll be able to make it back, I think so. Alright. That's your example. Pause the video, go. And last we have our question sentence. Compare your environment with the lion's environment. Good luck with that one. Make sure you include the question, the important parts of the question in your answer. Alright. Pause the video, go. Alright guys, that wraps it up for this week. I hope to see you soon. Back at Red Mountain in room, 6, 7, and 5. Alright. Remember, we do this because we want you guys to know the word meaning, because when you know the word meaning, you can use these words in your writing to become better writers and readers as well. Alright? Get your stuff done. We expect you to be prepared and do your very best. See you soon.